Hey guys, so last week we met a European company that builds an electric shuttle bus, and we're looking to integrate them in the DAV network. And today I've been working on several minor changes to the website and on example of integrations for Australian delivery company that we're about to partner with. And well, this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hi everybody. So last time we deployed our private testnet to AWS cloud using AWS template, and it didn't work very well. So we are switched today to using Ropsten public testnet on Ethereum, and we deployed the contracts, and actually we ran the entire flow on the staging environment with the Ropsten public testnet, and everything went well. So really good. That's it for today. Bye.
Hey guys, so we've been successful in running all of our applications on the staging environment. This is running since Thursday. We still aren't able to connect it to our own Ethereum network that we're building. We're hoping to get it done by the end of today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAVers, what's up? So today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then I started working on Slipstream's video. It's an Australian logistic company that deals with transportation, and they joined the DAV network. So now I went there last week to meet them, and he brought some really good materials to work with. So for the rest of the day I'm going to be working on that, aiming to make a rough cut for today so we can finalize it tomorrow and release it. And that will be it. Stay tuned.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday the main focus was working on a few ICO listings, making sure that we are, and double checking to make sure we are across all of the different major listing websites, to make sure that as we come closer to the token sale, we're front and center for everybody who may be interested. And then also I had several meetings yesterday from comms to advertising to everything in between. Today the main focus is building out a partner of ours website, giving some of them assistance there, and then also focusing on some advisor things. So getting a few other advisor videos in motion, and then also a new series from a content standpoint that's going to focus on our alliance members. Thanks everyone. Have a great one.